Hey guys, Joe Pye here at Advanced Innovations. Welcome back to the shop. You know, every year around this time I try to put together a short video to say thank you and Merry Christmas to everyone that has subscribed, left comments, sent me gifts in the mail, sent me positive emails, feedback. The response to this channel is incredibly rewarding and has touched my heart on more than one occasion. So wherever you are in the world this holiday season, I hope it's the best it can possibly be and that you're well and happy and safe and with the ones you love. Got something special for you this year. I taught my machine a little trick that I think that you'll enjoy. At least, at the very least, I hope you'll appreciate the effort it took to do it. So Merry Christmas to you and yours. Let's go push a button and see what happens.